At the narrow waistline of the American continent, among the most luscious, exuberant ecosystems in the world, we find Costa Rica, the coast of plenty. A tiny country of only 51,100 square kilometers, with one of the most stable and envied social and political systems on the planet. This paradise opens its wings of peace to receive all who fix their sight on its abundance and decide to visit. The perfect fusion between nature, peace, infrastructure, and technology make this little corner of the world the perfect choice for those who wish to improve their health and receive the excellent medical attention that is here to help them live a longer and better quality of life. Costa Rica has one of the best public health systems on the entire American continent, and now boasts an enviable hospital infrastructure. Leading-edge medical technology and certified professionals accredited around the world.
Bienvenido a Costa Rica, su mejor opción médica. ¿Por qué es su mejor opción? Contamos con alta tecnología, profesionales médicos excelentes. Costa Rica se caracteriza por su calidad humana. Eso es muy importante para usted.
Costa Rica is, without a doubt, the country that will allow you to obtain the highest level of medical attention with the least damage to your financial well-being. We would like to show you some important data to help you see why Costa Rica is your best medical option. First of all, it is important that you realize that our hospitals are internationally accredited with the highest standards of hospital quality, including the Joint Commission International.
When most people think of Costa Rica, they think of wonderful jungle streams and toucans and birds and everything that you think of when you think of paradise. I'd like you to think of another kind of paradise, a health paradise. We in Costa Rica have exceptional health care, and it's at an affordable price. I would like you to think about our high technology, our incredibly well-trained physicians, our highly educated nurses. All of that coupled with an incredible warmth and caring that we don't usually find in the United States. Why can I say that? I'm a New Yorker, born and raised, and lived most of my life in the United States. Now I'm here in Costa Rica, and I find it not only an eco paradise, but also a healthcare paradise. I'd like you to think about having any healthcare you might need, from the most complex neurosurgery to a simple inguinal hernia and anything in between, at one of our hospitals in Costa Rica. I think you'd be surprised both at the attention you'd get and how wonderful you'd feel after you left us.
Costa Rica is among the first positions in healthcare systems throughout the Americas and holds 36th place on the world scale. In fact, ranking above the United States of America, Mexico, and South Korea, among many others.
Right now in Costa Rica, we're doing the best techniques to correct surgery. Where now we do here retinal surgery, glaucoma surgery, cataract surgery, eyelid surgery. Right now, so American patients can come here with total confidence to do these surgeries. Right now, this is a 80-year-old patient that we are doing a local anesthesia with sedation to correct his malpositions in both eyelids.
Costa Rica is the most stable country in Latin America in aspects of economy and politics. And thanks to that stability and security, it is one of the safest destinations to visit for vacations or to have your health problems looked after. This is precisely why multinational companies have set up shop in this country, among them Intel and Baxter. Thanks to its location and its warm tropical climate, medical recuperation for patients is quick and effective.
To recommend a service or health procedure, it's important to have into consideration some aspects as the personnel that is going to give the service. They must have a professional training in the matter. Also, it is important that the infrastructure and equipment to be in excellent conditions and state-of-the-art technology. It is also important to have a quality standard, proven all around the world that won't put into risk the patient's life. These three aspects form a pyramid named Costa Rica.
Our hospital complexes boast the latest technology in their infrastructure and technical equipment for the prevention, diagnosis, treatment, and procedures for almost anything that you might require. Integrated and smart operating rooms, hyperbaric cameras, groupal and individual, as well as sophisticated CAT scans and nuclear imaging.
What we're going to do is a combined functional and cosmetic nasal surgery. What we normally do is take advantage of the need of a functional recovery or improvement of the nasal breathing. It's used for patients who suffer from nasal obstruction. So we do both at the same time, so we take advantage of two things: the recovery period, which is going to be compressed, and the financial problem, which we normally cut the fees in a lot of different aspects, so it will cost much less if we do the two surgeries at the same time.
Among the most noteworthy medical specialties, you will find neurology, ear, eye, nose, and throat, orthopedics, dentistry, ophthalmology, cardiology, dermatology, gastroenterology, plastic surgery, aesthetics, urology, gastric bypass surgery, and follow-up on high-risk pregnancies. We also offer personalized post-operative care, physiotherapy, and rehabilitation.
This is a state-of-the-art medical facility which combines technology, professional services, and passion for serve. Places like this are all around the country.
Costa Rica is a leader in cancer treatments, stem cell procedures, transplants, and pain management. 20 direct flights land in Costa Rica every day from the United States alone. We are only 2 hours away from some of the most important cities in America. For these and many other reasons, we invite you to come to Costa Rica as an excellent option for your health problems and enjoy the best certified doctors in the world, the best state-of-the-art medical technology, world-class hospital infrastructure, individual personal care, thanks to the attention and warm bedside manner of our bilingual professionals. We guarantee the finest and most reasonably priced health services that you can find anywhere, with the possibility of recuperating on our fabulous tropical beaches, our mountaintops, volcanoes, while enjoying the world-famous traditional hospitality of the Costa Rican people. The northwestern zone of Costa Rica is cataloged as one of the 4 so-called blue zones of the world, places where the longest living people are found.
Por todas estas razones, Costa Rica es su mejor decisión para su salud y la de su familia. Bienvenidos a Costa Rica.